Hey guys, Nash here. So by far you already guessed it's not OnePlus 6, it is OnePlus 5T. And this is a channel upgrade and we are going to have a lot more fun. So there are three main reasons I bought this one and not the OnePlus 6. Number 1, OnePlus 6 is too expensive. I know it's not as expensive as Samsung S9, but still spending $600 on a smartphone is not a good idea. Number 2, not a huge upgrade from OnePlus 5T, plus I don't like the notch. And number 3, and the main reason right now, OnePlus 5T has a lot more custom ROM than OnePlus 6. Because OnePlus 6 just launched, so all the good ROMs will take time to come on OnePlus 6. And this channel is all about custom ROM and saving your money. So guys, I will give you cheapest Amazon link if you want to buy this phone with me so we can flash ROMs together. We are going to flash more than 100 ROMs on this phone. The phone right now looks promising to me, super fast face unlock and dash charging, that's what I like in this phone. Screen to body ratio is also good. And soon I will make a full review on OS 5.1.3 and of course Android P ROMs when it's available. So again, that was quick announcement from my side. So if you own OnePlus 5T, it's amazing, and if you don't have this one, I will recommend you to buy it. Links for that will be in the description box below. This is your friend Nash signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.